How to link Discord to Rockstar Games account. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can link Discord to Rockstar Games account. Now, Rockstar Games Discord rewards are the in-game rewards available to members of official Rockstar Games Discord server. You will need to be a member of the official Rockstar Games Discord server and link your Rockstar Games and Discord accounts to participate. If you want to link your Rockstar Games account to your Discord account, then all you want to do is visit the Rockstar Games site. For that, head over to rockstargames.com. Now select the Rockstar Games account icon in the top right corner. From here, select account, then select settings. Now select linked accounts. Select link account under Discord. Ensure this is the Rockstar Games account you want to link. Then select link account again. This will open the Discord site and prompt you to sign into your Discord account. Enter the email address associated with your Discord account. Enter your Discord password. Now provide your verification code. After that, you want to ensure that this is the Discord account you want to link to your Rockstar Games account. Now select authorize. You will be prompted to configure your Discord visibility settings for the Rockstar Games account you linked. These settings allow you to configure your Discord visibility for Rockstar Games website, games, and apps. Verify your visibility preference and then select continue. In this way, you can easily link your Discord to Rockstar Games. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.